Hello and welcome to ICTC-Sallisaw. My name is Glennis Hutchinson and I'm the advisor recruiter here for the Sallisaw campus. And it's my job to make sure that you have a great time on our virtual tour today. Here at ICTC, we like to develop world-class leaders for the workplace. Our motto is jobs, 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 and that's what we would like to do for you if you would like to attend our campus. Automotive Service Technology. Students enrolled in the Automotive Service Technology program diagnose, maintain, and repair a wide range of vehicles. They use advanced diagnostic and repair equipment to troubleshoot complex automotive systems, as well as work with automotive experts. After completing this program, students can go to work in Automotive Service Technology as a brakes technician, electrical electronics technician, engine performance tech, HVAC technician, retail parts sales rep, or suspension and steering technician. Cosmetology. Students enrolled in the Cosmetology program evaluate, recommend, and create hair designs to exceed client expectations. They use advanced techniques to deliver a wide range of skincare and nail treatments, as well as experience a full-service, interactive salon environment. Upon completing this program, graduates can go to work as a cosmetologist, barber, hairstylist, nail technician, manicurist, in salons, barber shops, or as an entrepreneur. General Carpentry. Students enrolled in the Carpentry explore all of the construction areas with major emphasis in electricity, plumbing, carpentry, and framing. They work with skilled construction tradesmen to prepare for a career in today's construction technologies and interpret and troubleshoot blueprints and building specifications for construction projects. Upon completing the program, graduates can go to work as a construction trainee, carpentry apprentice, electrical apprentice, plumbing apprentice, home inspector, or general contractor. Health Career Certification. Students enrolled in the Health Career Certification program explore a variety of medical professions using a college science curriculum. They work with healthcare professionals in a clinical environment and perform routine healthcare and diagnostic procedures. Upon completing this program, graduates can go to work in nursing homes, hospitals, home health, physician clinics, private care, schools, business and industry, or transition onto higher education. HVAC. Students enrolled in the HVAC's program design, fabricate, and install many types of HVAC and refrigeration components. They troubleshoot and repair advanced residential and commercial systems, as well as use logical thinking to interpret blueprints, electrical schematics, operational sequence charts, and refrigerant charging charts. Upon completing the program, graduates can go to work as a residential HVAC installer, commercial HVAC installer, HVAC service technician, commercial refrigeration, or service technician. Information Technology. Students enrolled in the Information Technology program build, upgrade, diagnose, and repair computers. They work with IT specialists to design, install, and troubleshoot complex computer and network systems. In addition, students use professional help desk strategies to meet a wide range of client needs while using network routing, switching, and advanced technologies. Graduates can go to work as a network systems administrator, computer support specialist, Enterprise Network Associate, Network Support Specialist, Network Security Support Technician, or Network Installation Technician. Welding. Students enrolled in the welding program design, engineer, and build unique products to solve manufacturing challenges. They also interpret blueprints and specifications using math and critical thinking. In addition, they develop the confidence, work ethic, and stamina necessary for a career in fabrication. Upon completing this program, graduates can go to work as a welder, fitter, MIG welder, torch operator, general welder, TIG welder, stick welder, or welder helper. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour of ICTC-Sallisaw. If you found something that you were interested in, give us a call, 918-571-4067. Remember, careers start here at ICTC.